I have a question for Kevin.
For Kevin.
Are you rich?
Rich.
Do you have money in that?
I don't consider myself rich. I consider myself...
Okay, go home. Just kidding.
Let him be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You consider yourself as?
you know, wealthy.
Wealthy. Oh my God.
Oh, okay yung wealthy friend. Ibig sabihin nakakaaraw-araw nakakain.
Can I lend some
Loan?
Because my mother is right now in the jewelry.
Yes. Jewelry shop.
I phone her.
Yes. Where? What jewelry shop?
I don't
Yes.
Don't mention it.
Erlyn, go back to you. Going back to you. Eto, gusto ko maging prangka at honest ka ha, sa sunod naming tanong.
Yes, go Bubay.
Nakakabahan ako.
The next question, Herlyn, is, how long?
How long?
How long?
Natawa siya, no, it's not about that thing you're
Ito,
thinking right now.
Bastos.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about how long does Kevin plan to stay here in the Philippines.
Are you here for good?
Kasi diba, tapos na yung TV show nyo. For sure, baka may mga susunod pa dyan. Pero hanggang kailan siya mag-i-stay dito?
Ako ba, sa
Yes.
akin, gano'n ka ba kahaba mag-i-stay dito sa Pilipinas? It's up to you.
No, it's not up to me.
Ay! Pinindatan niya! Mukhang
Wait,
mayroon
it's
talagang
not
pasenya.
No, I plan to stay in the Philippines forever.
Ah!